Hello everyone. So today we are back with another video, and this time we will let you know where can you sell supplements online. So now in the past 15 years of experience, what we have seen is this is one of the most competitive niche and one of the most hardest niche so that we can get the ads approved. We have been working with a few clients in the past as well, and for them the Google shopping ads works really very well for them. But there are few things that we first of all needs to change on the website based on the Google policies, because we should not be setting up the campaigns blindly. We first of all need to make sure that the website is 100% correct based on the Google policies, and then based on that we should be able to set up the Google Merchant Center first. For the Google Merchant Center, we definitely need to link the feed with the Merchant Center from the back end of the website. The website needs to have some basic policy pages so that we are within the Google guidelines. Once the feed gets approval on the Merchant Center, then we can start setting up the Google shopping ads for various type of products. So in the past we have worked on various brands of the supplements. So we have set up various campaigns for the brands, and then based on the ROI that we are getting, we were able to maximize the search impression share from the best converting brands over there. So the strategy will be like, we need to set up the Google shopping campaign for each brand, and then we need to give specific bidding based on the product pricing, because Google also knows the fact that when the product pricing that is on the lower side, the cost per click that we have to pay will also be on the lower side. But then what we have seen is, suppose taking an example of some supplements spending at selling at around $50, we have seen the cost per click of around $0.5 or so, and then for the supplements selling at $2,000 or to $2,500, the cost per click ranges between $5 to $10 and even sometimes higher. So we have to be very careful with these things. We should not be bidding the same value for all the products in our campaign, and then sometimes we always need to do the manual bidding based on the product pricing. Once we are able to see some products are doing better than the other, then we have to restructure the campaign so that we can have the best sellers in one campaign with a higher budget, and then the lower ones we can have them into a new campaign and then do the optimization of the campaign so that we can see some more sales. So for these type of things, we need to do the optimization of the campaign. When we start, we always need to start with the standard shopping. We need to see what type of search terms that we are getting from the campaigns, and then based on those search terms, the negatives will actually needs to be done accordingly. Once we see around 20 to 25 conversions in the last 30 days, then we can start the performance max campaign for these product type, and then how we will be able to maximize the search impression share from them. Also, we need to start the remarketing campaigns for those visitors who have visited the website but they have not converted. There will be a few of them that will be leaving the website from the add to cart page. So we need to build funnels over here. So for example, for those visitors who have visited the website but they have not converted, we can give them 5% off using the remarketing ads. And for those websites who have left the website from the add to cart page or the checkout page, we can give them like 10% off using a certain coupon code. That strategy also works really very well for us. To be very honest, what we have seen is the Facebook sometimes do not allow the ads for supplements, but yes, we can start with the small remarketing campaigns on Facebook side of things, then work within the Facebook policies to see whether they can run the ads for the other products on Facebook. So If you have any campaign running and you are just not getting the results that you are looking for, you can contact us for the free audit. For the audit, we will let you know what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaigns. Also, if you do not have any ads running, you can contact us with your website URL, monthly budget, and the location targeting. We should be able to let you know what you need to do to get some more sales online. You can contact us through WhatsApp. There is a number on top right corner. You can contact